This stuff is so strong that I haven't even finished spraying the table yet, and it's already started cleaning it right before my eyes. I mean, I am so amazed. This stuff is amazing. It was like $2.50 from, where did I get it from? Dollar General. And I haven't even used the scrub brush yet. I got my gloves on, I'm ready to scrub, but I haven't even finished spraying the table, and already it is cleaning the table. I can see the dirt loosening already. Like, this stuff is amazing. I would make sure that I only use it outside though, because it is strong as I don't know what, and I think if you inhale this stuff, you might pass out. You just might pass out. But I am in the process now of repairing this picnic table. I did buy a new table, but my dad insists that if I just use some mean green and some Bondo, that I'll have a brand new table again. So I'm going to give this a try. Like I said, I did purchase a brand new picnic table day before yesterday, Thursday. And I guess I'll use this table once it's prepared as my work table, or the kids can still use it out in the yard. I'll put it somewhere out in the yard, and they can do that. But I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but look at this table. It's literally like cleaning itself. I have not touched it with a rag or anything. And look at the bench is almost clean completely. I haven't sprayed this side, so I'm going to show you. Look at how dirty this side is, okay? And I'm going to go ahead. This is the first time I'm spraying this side. And I'm going to start spraying down the table. No time lapse or anything here. This is happening live. Well, not live, but happening in real time, I guess. Okay, now I'm going to move to the other side to get this side of the table. Move the branch out of the way. Man, this stuff stinks. It kind of smells like it has bleach in it, but it's got to be something else in here. I'm pretty sure there's other chemicals that are causing the table to come clean so quickly. But it does have a faint smell of bleach. But I do know that if I had used bleach by itself, I don't think the table would come this clean just using bleach. Now, I still have not touched it with the brush or the towel at all. And I'm going to start now. Oh man. Just this part that I'm scrubbing. Look at this. This is amazing. Look at how that's coming off. And I'm not scrubbing hard. I'm just turning the brush around onto the table. Sorry for the annoying noise, but just kind of wanted you to see. This is amazing. So I'm going to pause the video, and then a frog is that a little baby frog? I hope he didn't jump in this chemical. So I'm going to pause.